and no one else can join unless they wear funny hats.
Listen, Horton.
The chair recognizes Brother Morton.
I'm really happy you found this speck and all, but you might want to think about keeping it to yourself.
What? Why?
Well, you're talking to a clover. That doesn't look good.
You know what doesn't look good? You talking about the speck like the speck isn't even there.